Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all these fantastic Black Friday specials, and we're kicking it off officially. I know we released the kangaroo earlier on this week.
That one's kind of overarching. It's going throughout the entire thing.
Right.
Whilst we still have some available anyway.
That's right. We don't normally do it that way. We thought we'd do it a bit different this year, but this is the kickoff for Black Friday. So this is Friday. We have a very limited number of these. They won't last long.
We are talking quick because these are going to go quick. So we're getting right into the action. Already pre-unboxed.
They are already pre-unboxed. There are 500 of these only in total. Once they're gone, they're gone. And I'm going to have to grab a glove for these. In fact, I'm going to use a knife. Otherwise, I'm going to be all day with this security tape. It's weird stuff, this one.
It's designed to make it hard and annoying to get in, so I'm glad it does
it's doing its job, but that doesn't make my job any easier. So in here we should have some. We should have some elephants.
Hey!
So these are part of the African Wildlife series.
Yep.
And this one's actually in remarkable order.
It's got a little bit of.
Yeah, we're going to be unusual in that we're going to show you some coins in here that aren't as clear as we'd like.
And there's actually a reason for that. This was actually a part of a previous unboxing we did.
That didn't work out quite as well as we'd hoped.
Didn't work out quite as well as we'd hoped.
So this is a little bit of a lucky dip. You will get an elephant, okay? Straight out we get an elephant.
Yep.
We're going to do these at buyback prices. Now some of them are like this one, which looks very, very flash. Some of them... there we go. I knew there'd be one in the tube. I'm going to use my fingers, and I know I shouldn't. But you can see
even just hold the side of the roll that you've got there. Yeah.
So you can see randomly, they some of them have toned on their rim particularly, and it carries into the obverse or the face of it. So you may get one that's absolutely sparkly clean. You may get one that's got a little bit of toning on it. My suggestion is, and at the price they're at, $6.
That's the first time you've said that. We haven't said the price yet.
Okay, so they're $6 above spot each, which is a screaming bargain for these. My suggestion, and it's easy for me to say this, my suggestion is get a few, and that way we'll make sure they're not all toned. You'll get a bit of a mix through. You might get one that's toned, you might get one that looks fantastic, and you might get some that's in the middle. So we've only got 500, they're only $6 above spot, and it's only while stocks last. They won't last long.
Any limits?
No.
Okay.
First come, first serve.
All right.
So if you want to take one, that's great. And if you want to take 101, that's great. And if you want to take 500, you're going to have to be really quick. But they are there for the taking while they are there. They will go quick, but don't forget we will have specials tomorrow on Saturday, Sunday and Monday. And stay tuned for them. We're going to cross at least all three medals in those specials. And
we've got the kangaroo, like I said before, still kind of overarching throughout the entire Black Friday celebration thing. So if you do miss out on these and you wanted to pick up a 1 ounce silver coin, take another look at the kangaroo.
Absolutely. All right, that's it for now. We will talk again tomorrow.